Hey, hi, Lisa Marie here. Good morning. I'm not sure if this is saying this is from my phone or my hubby's phone, but my phone is having issues, so I'm on my hubby's phone. And I've had some dental work done. Many of you that are following me as my friend have seen that it's been quite a bit. So I'm still having trouble actually chewing things. So gosh, since well, I didn't really eat all day Friday or Saturday. It was all liquids and basically, what do you call it, fasting. But it's been kind of pureed type things or more like full liquids. But now I can kind of put a little bit of pressure. So I'm doing things that have a little more consistency to them, which would be like the pureed stage. So let me show you what I'm having for today. So I'm just getting ready to have some breakfast, and I'm going to actually eat this, which is a half of a container of the Dannon Fit and Light banana cream Greek yogurt. And my tummy, because I still eat slow and small with this size or this size of a spoon. See, it's little. Can you see it? There you go. It's small. My bites are still small. That this is enough for me and my pouch. But I need something in my stomach in order to take that bad boy right there. Then what I've done is I really like malto meal. I also like oatmeal, but the malto meal is thinner to me, smaller, and you don't have to chew it. It kind of allows you to take it in and swallow it down without an issue. So what I do is I follow the instructions and I make 1 cup with the 3 tablespoons that are here, and then I split it in half. And I make it, but then I split it in half. Then I add a tablespoon of Splenda brown sugar. And then because this is sugar-free and you're allowed 2 tablespoons, I do the 2 tablespoons of the sugar-free maple syrup. And it just makes that old-fashioned maple brown sugar flavor that I really like. So I'll heat that up. Possibly add some Gene Pro to it later on this morning when I have my next meal. Then kind of going into lunch, I wasn't adding anything to my soup. I was just blitzing the wadding out of it in our magic bullet thing. I don't know what I have. I have a magic bullet type thing. But I get the soup. Then I pour it in the blender, blitz the whole thing completely so that it's real creamy, and I just like creamy soup. Well, in this, I added some ground turkey to the whole can. I knew this was going to make 5 servings, so I put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 ounces of ground turkey in with my soup because I knew I was going to have about 2 ounces per serving. So I don't know if you can see because the containers are all the same. I marked them with what they are. The malto meal. This is the potato soup with turkey. This is 4 ounces. I may not be able to eat the whole thing. So is this. And that's okay. If I leave a few bites, that's okay. Then, because I just really feel better with warmth, I asked my husband if he would make some potatoes, and I just didn't care. I wanted it fast. So we got this box of instant potatoes that actually taste pretty good. But butter just isn't always just enough moisture. So we have this gravy that we got from Heinz. And if you look, it's wrong thing. It is a 1/4 of a cup is 2 ounces. So that 1/4 of a cup is the 30 calories. And I didn't want to have the chance of the whole thing, so I split it up. So here's 1 ounce, And here's an ounce, so that makes 2 ounces that I'll account for just to give it a little bit of moisture. And then, of course, my husband is making our green smoothie that'll go in here. And that's kind of my foods for the whole day. Then as beverages, I still have my cold water that is in my thing here. And I've already had my tea with some Gene Pro added to it to give me some protein to kind of kick me off for the morning. And then I will probably have another, depends on how cold the office is, I'll have either hot water with a little bit of flavoring or some of my teas throughout the day while sipping my cold stuff there as well. But that kind of gives you an idea if you're on the pureed stage or the full liquid stage. Oddly enough, the yogurt, the malto meal, the soup, the gravy on just about anything is actually considered in the full liquids. And I think the thing is how you determine a full liquid is if somebody could, not you, not us, we're not supposed to at first, drink it through a straw. That's the full liquids. So all of those, when warm and liquidy, you could drink through a straw if you had to, or if somebody had to. So there you go. Have a great day. Happy Thursday. And I will hopefully be talking to you at lunch. See ya. Bye.